They said behind every successful man is a strong, supportive woman. But behind every successful real estate company are clients like you. Clients who trust us not just with their investment, but with their dream, their future, and the legacy they want to create. 2024 has been a remarkable year filled with milestone, challenge, growth. Throughout it, you have been the reason we kept going. You believe in us, stood by us, and gave us the privilege to serve you. We are not just a company, but we are family, and you, our cherished clients, are an essential part of that family. Your loyalty has been our strength. Your trust has been our foundation. Your referral has been the lifeline that keep us growing. As we reflect on this year, my heart is full of gratitude. But it's not just me who feel this way. My team does too. And a few of them would like to share their times with you.
Thank you so much, our wonderful clients.
We can't thank you enough. Thank you so much.
We are grateful to you.
Thank you so much.
You have been the heartbeat of our company. Your trust and support have made everything we do meaningful. As we close the chapter of 2024, we want you to know that we are more committed than ever to walk this journey with you in 2025. From all of us at landproperty.ng, we wish you peace, joy, the love of family and friends this season. Thank you so much for choosing us. Thank you for believing in us. Merry Christmas from me, Dennis Isong, and all of us here at landproperty.ng.